this video, we're going to guide you through our very own nature walk. I am really excited to share a few tips and have fun with you. So we hope you enjoy. So we are in a place called Würzburg. It's really pretty. It's famously known for its vineyards, and there's a really nice view. And there's a river right there. There's a river over there. Look at that train. Oh, it's really cool. We saw lots of trains. So we saw lots of goods trains, and if we see another, the goods trains, they're really long. Yep. And if we see another one, we can show you. And there's lots of flowers and really different types of plants. We saw the lots of flowers and really pretty ones. And we also saw these really big pussy women. Do you see this insect? Oh, what is that? Is this a grasshopper? Here there are all the vineyards, and do you know what happens? Like what grows on these? I think grapes. Correct. And out of the grapes they make wine. Oh, I could see that because some grape buds are starting to grow. If you can see it right here, you see these? They're grape buds. The grapes are starting to grow. So and by the end of the season, they'll most probably be full grapes. Oh, there is a moth, tiny moth. Can you see that? We don't want to disturb it. Hear the noise? It's a goods train. So it's right now running on tracks. The goods trains aren't that good for the environment. These really pretty light pink flowers, they go into a field from there and about in here. Oh no, garbage! I'm gonna throw If you see garbage, pick it up. If you have gloves, even better, and throw it in a bin nearby. So, yeah. Wow, I just saw a tunnel. I don't know if you can see it, but if you jump, so you can hold the camera up, but it's more. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I just saw a tunnel. I think the goods train goes there. It does. And there you can see back there, there's a castle. It's famous around this area too. It's not a goods train, but it is a train. I'm sure many of you have seen it before. Probably all of you. The goods train is like 10 times longer than this. Like, yeah. You know. And it has lots of little compartments and things. Yeah. They are just leaves, but then again, sometimes really wonderful things like just in front of your eyes, and you don't even notice them. Like there's lots of different types of leaves. Look at this, like these. Some of them even have only the slightest of changes. Like these ones, they're round. And then these ones over here, they're they have this spiky thing. So there's lots of different things. And then here they have different leaves attached to one. We're going up those stairs and we're going to give you a great view. Oh my god! And up, up, and up. And up, and up, and up we go. I think we already passed about 50 steps. And there's still lots of steps to go. Down there. I'm so tired. Even in between these cracks, there's plants. We enter a tunnel. Mira's almost done. I can't do it. And through we go. Too many steps. I think we already passed like 200 or 250 steps. So, in we go. In we go. I'm hot. There is the entrance which we just came through. And we're almost there. I won't show you the view just yet, so we're at the very top to make it more of a surprise. So you'll need to keep waiting. A field of bluebells. Going all the way up. and all the way. See, here there's some of those big ones. One of these is fallen out. And you see, at the end, there's actually this little thing attached right there. And that actually holds the seed. And then the white part on the top carries the seed. So it makes it lighter for the wind to carry it better. And that's how they spread. And each flower or plant has their own unique way of spreading things. No one knows what lies ahead. Dun, dun, dun. I'm thinking something non-dangerous. We're up above. Yes, finally. I just need to wait a few more seconds for the view. 3. No, the mystery will reveal itself in 3, 2, 1. It's a beautiful view. I think it was worth it. I feel like I can see the whole city. And yeah, it's afternoon. And there's the river, there's the houses, there's that castle I showed you before. Now the vineyards are actually below us. There. There are some food we're entering. From up there we'll have the view that I just showed you. And yeah, that's the end of the nature walk. We hope you had fun going out with us. Bye till next time. Bye.